special start to our vlog of our getting ready to go to Orlando for Universal, Halloween Horror Nights, and Disney. So, I'm going to finish putting all of these things together for the GoPro and see what other nonsense I get myself into. So I finished my podcasts. I published the one that goes with our current situation, getting ready to go to Orlando. That's already out there, so make sure you look for it. It's on Buzzsprout, but it's on wherever you get your podcast at. And Z came home. He's packed. Yay. And now he's at the gym, and I'm going to go join him at the gym to earn the burn and get some calories burned for the day. I'm going to go do that and get some energy to stay up because that's what's happening tonight. I'm excited though. I'm excited. We are now 10 minutes from being a perfect 24 hours before we head out. So it's happening. It's finally here. It's September the 9th. I am so tired, so tired. So as I had mentioned, last night was about staying up till 5, which I successfully did. I slept until about 9, so good 4 hours. I might go back to sleep and sleep and rest until 5 o'clock today. I'll get up and go to the gym and then take a bath and get ready to pack the car and be ready to head out at 7. It's me again checking in. It is now, let's see what time it is, 4:35. I just got the message that Zeke is on his way home from work. I did sleep and relax and rest up all day long. I actually just got through working in the office just a little bit on a few last minute projects. Of course, I was binge watching YouTube again. They're actually having a party tonight, so we will be checking the Universal Orlando app, Twitter, watching some YouTube live feeds so that way we can see anything else that is new for the second weekend of Halloween Horror Nights 30th anniversary.
What'd you do, Ryan?
We made it. Oh yeah. Can you take a picture of the thing? Oh wait, I can do it here. Spider-Man. Finally, after 10.5 hours of driving through the night from Louisiana to Florida, we finally made it. After making a quick pit stop at our hotel after dropping off our things, and of course Zeke did catch a power nap, we finally made it to Universal Orlando. And the best part, besides of course the low crowd level, was walking upon the gates of Universal Studios and seeing all of the banners of the houses that we would be later visiting for Halloween Horror Nights. After getting into Universal Theme Park, we walked down our first scare zone, which were all about icons. Then we meandered through New York and made our way into the Tribute Store. Now, I'm not going to give you a full in-depth tour of it vocally, but of course, you can visit several other vloggers on YouTube. Their videos go much more in-depth with the Tribute Store. But something very interesting to note about this is that this store does have merchandise that honestly can be bought anywhere else on Universal property, including Islands of Adventure and even out at City Walk. But what makes this store special is that it is fully dressed from head to toe in that season's theme. So currently right now it is for Halloween Horror Nights, but prior to, because of the opening of the Velocicoaster, it was a tribute store for Jurassic Park. So it was all things dinosaur, all things Jurassic Park, and of course all things Velocicoaster. I actually got one of those wax dinosaur things from that store, and I love it so much. But this one is all centered around Halloween Horror Nights. So there are multiple rooms that all have a different theme. One was icons, one is centered around Beetlejuice, and one is just centered around Halloween things in general. Look at Jack's picture. The 30th anniversary does celebrate some of the most notorious icons throughout the past. Jack the Clown, here's the caretaker. Then, of course, there is the storyteller, followed by the director, who is actually Jack's brother, Eddie. Then, of course, there is the usher, and my personal favorite, Chance, who is Jack's right-hand gal. Another perk of the tribute store is at the end of the store, you can get a bunch of really spectacular, delicious, and yummy treats. Very cool. Okay, so we saw the tributes. That can be X off our list. And at 9, we're going to go check for the Jimmy Fallon studio tour. So, what you doing there, buddy?
Hey, my favorite snack. Grams.
They're like crack.
They're like crack, yeah.
They're so good.
I open it and I will finish it.
Yeah. We're waiting for Jimmy Fallon's studio tour, which is a free tour that they do here at the ride. We learned about it from the tracker, so thanks, trackers.
If you look over here on the floor, there's going to be a compass. Before they built Volcano Bay, this was the center of everything Universal.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Not because of Volcano Bay, it's not, but it's still a little fun fact.
One of the really cool things about this tour is that we were able to put a pin in the location that we came from and sign their guest book. At the end, our tour guide even gave us a souvenir certificate for attending their backstage tour. I'm here in Universal. We just did the Mummy. We did the Mummy and we're about to go get something to eat at Starbucks. And then, I don't know, we're taking a very chill, relaxed time. We've been super Nazi about previous trips to Universal and we're just chilling. So it's a nice day. This is what we're dealing with. This is where we are. We're in New York, where we'll be later for Stay and Scream. We're gonna hit up that Starbucks here in a second. And then we're gonna transition in San Francisco right across that corner over there. And there's Rip Rocket, which I will visit later. And right now we're just chilling in a beautiful blue sunny sky day. It's later, unfortunately, so we're gonna get soaked. But that's okay, because we brought our rain gear and we're ready. No matter what happens, we're ready for this day. We're ready for some adventures. So let's get to it. So we are heading to Islands of Adventure after doing the studio tour for Jimmy Fallon. And we're gonna go, I'm gonna go ride Velocicoaster. My husband is going to hold my bags. All of my bags, because I'm carrying my fanny pack and my backpack.
Here, I'm a good hobby.
And we're walking because it's just as fast to walk, if not faster right now, than to wait for the train, Hogwarts Express, to go from Diagon Alley to Hogsmeade. So, and apparently I've just hit 8,000 steps, and it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning, guys. That's what I'm saying. So far the rain's holding out. Thank you, thank you. It's going to rain. It's inevitable. It's going to rain today. But it's holding out for now.
Is that a Halloween music?
A Halloween genre, but it's not Halloween. No, it's not that Halloween.
butterbeer
You like it?
frozen. Yeah, it's really good.
If you scored it from 1 to 10, where would you score it?
I'll say pretty good. It's 7.
Pretty good.
I'm going to try to brew this. I don't think it's brewable,
I
but
don't think that works
I'll try
like
to do it.
that.
Yeah,
No. Okay.
first time.
We're in Hogsmeade having butterbeer. Watching people in the Owlery doing their magical spells. Huh?
Are you a YouTuber?
I got asked if I were a YouTuber. I was like, oh, yes.
Yeah.
You're
And the
important
answer
now.
was yes.
Yes. Yes, I am.
Super famous. Do you want to sign me an autograph or something? Oh my god, I'm getting a drink.
Oh, Lord.
Again. Ah. Right behind this eye. No, no.
No. The conductor, right there.
Who's that?
The conductor.
Oh.
When the river flowed through a newborn world and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park. The dinosaurs in this lagoon are among the largest creatures ever on the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. Next up on our tour is Haxosaur Cove.
Park Animal Control. It looks like one of the Haxosaurs has knocked your boat off course. You are entering the raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. We'll CP Animal Control to CP-24.
Enjoying your day.
I'm enjoying it very much.
You
but
look
I'm
really tired.
tired, yeah. I didn't sleep at all last night, so I've been up since 5 in the morning of Thursday. So, yeah. Louis, the
Italian
Italian
restaurant.
place. Pizza, pasta,
I'm having spaghetti.
and I'm having pizza.
What was your favorite thing you did so far today?
Coming here to eat? No. There was something
Taking
cool.
a nap today
Oh, well,
in the hotel room.
No, the tour.
Oh, yeah, that tour is
That
cool.
was something new and that was something pretty cool. The Jimmy Fallon's tour. We got to see cool places that you don't see if you don't do it. If you don't make a tour.
That was neat. We got to sign the book and put a pin
Jimmy to see.
in the the map of where we're from. So that was cool too.
Yeah. And then the other second favorite part was eating my
Butterbeer.
goldfish. Oh, yeah.
Butterbeer. We had
was
butterbeer
cool.
for the first time.
But the brain freeze, I didn't like it.
I ate the entire bag of cupcake goldfish.
Goldfish was so good.
All of
So
it.
good.
Gone. So we're gonna have lunch and take a break and then see what other adventures we get into next. So this is us chilling. Give me your chill face. This is actually a stand screen for tonight, Halloween Horror Nights. But as you can tell, there is very little cover.
I never noticed the scratch of the bear on the back.
So we will not be staying here, plus these are not the houses in the area that we want to stay and go to. But yeah, it's far too sunny and open in this area to be comfortable. So We're not staying here. We're here in Simpsons Land, Simpsonsville. This is Zeke's equivalent to Harry Potter. He wants to play games and win stuff. Oh, that's where they got that bull from. Right there, straight ahead.
That looks like Ferdinand. What was the other one that they have Jesse and Homer?
There,
Oh yeah.
the ball toss. That one's the one that's really
But
hard.
I like that one because they have the
Santa's Little Helper,
They have Krusty, they have all of them.
Lisa. They have the pig. Spider Pig, Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does.
Right? So we don't have
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Yay!
nice. Look. We're going to do the water. Do the water.
Apparently disappeared, although air traffic, followed by the first three-part series of Plan G8 at 3/4 speed Kasha 2 later this year.
We got the tail end of that one. So we're waiting to get in line for the stay and scream. So we're gonna head to Finnegan's in just a second, and we're going to wait for Frankenstein's Bride Lives. That was terrible. And from there, we are going to hit up the houses in the back of the park, which are located near Men in Black, and those are Wicked Growth, Scary, and Puppet Theater, and just kind of go from there. It's supposed to rain tonight from 6 to 8, so we'll see how that affects the crowds, our plan, and what we can get done for the night. So here's Zeke, and we're gonna go get in line and get ready for Halloween Horror Nights 30. Maryville was absolutely terrifying. I can't. Nope. I can't.
Do you like my clown suit?
Terrifying.
I decided to go old school.